Hi guys, I have another swap reveal and this is from Teresa. And before I show you the swap, I want to show you the amazing box that she sent it in. So hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, look at this. She sent it with like all of this fun and she like wrapped this all around the box. It is so cute. I'm not going to show you the top because that has her address, but look how cute this is, right? Okay, I'll be right back with the swap. You guys, look at all of this stuff. In addition to that, she also has, there's something in this white package. And then, you guys, she sent the most beautiful tote. Look how stinking pretty this is. Oh my goodness gracious. Teresa, thank you so much. So she did make a swap for me. And you know what's so crazy? So I just came back from Greece a couple of weeks ago and I bought myself like very similar things to this, but like in, you know, with Greece, you know, Greek things on it. And I love this. I love like this like kind of illustrated art on a bag because it's something that I'll actually use. So thank you so much for sending me one of these. This is, oh, just so nice. And you guys, look at her swap. Look at this swap. First of all, so she sent me a note and she's so sweet. She even told me like what belongs in each swap because she made one for me. And she said she sent some extra passports for my kids. Look at this. You guys, look, she sent them their own little passports, and 3 is perfect because I do have 3 boys, because she was like, let me know if you need more. This is actually perfect, and I'm always so touched when people send things for my kiddos. Oh my gosh, look how cute these are. They have like paper, so you can like put stickers and stuff inside of it. Oh my gosh, they're gonna get a kick out of this because they came with us to Greece, so they have like real passports, and they are gonna get a kick out of like these other ones that they can decorate. Thank you so much, Teresa. Okay, so she said, dear Lisa, I hope I haven't been too unconventional with my suitcase design. I wrapped it in an obi. Oh, no wonder why it is beautiful. Oh my god. You did a perfect job. Oh my gosh. So she wrapped it in obi around it to fit my Japan theme. And it has Velcro on the back for easy removal. Both swaps are the same. I placed yours on the top, but you can use either one and change the card. Thank you, Teresa. Oh my gosh. So Teresa has an Instagram, and her Instagram is Mia's Trinkets 2025. So I will put that in the description bar. You guys, look at this. I mean, stunningly gorgeous. Look how she put this. This is for your hair. Oh my word. I am totally going to use this. This is honestly stunning. Look at this like embossed ribbon, and then she has gold ribbon underneath. And then she put this. This is beautiful. Look at the corners. Look at the clips. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Unconventional is like not the word. And look, it comes off. Oh my gosh, or I can just like slide it right off. Oh my gosh, this is honestly stunningly gorgeous. Like this was my hope for this swap, was that you guys would take just like a basic box and just run with it. And this is honestly stunning. You guys, look how pretty this is. I can't get over this. This is beautiful and right up my alley. I have to figure out a way to like use this. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, so she also sent some Pocky, which I love Pocky. So she sent 3 different ones. So she sent these 2 chocolate ones, strawberry, and then this one is matcha creamed biscuit sticks. Yummy. I'm gonna have to share this with my niece who loves matcha and loves Asian snacks. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Teresa. So generous. And then she also included this little travel essential kit, but look, it even has a little brush to wash it in. They're purple, and there's 2 spray bottles. So cute. Thank you so much. And then let's see what's in this white thing here. There's also this little white thing. I'm going to kind of do the extra goodies first so that I can get right into the swap. Oh my, you guys. It's a memory Dex. Look how beautiful. I mean, you guys, I don't think you can't even see. It's even prettier in person because I'm looking at the camera, and it cannot adequately capture. You guys, look how beautiful this is. This is stunningly gorgeous. Wow. And I love that it's like a stamp. Oh my gosh, you guys know I'm a sucker for glitter paper. And then the back just has her Instagram handle. And look at this paper. I don't know if I can take it out. Can I? Uh-oh. Oh, okay. The bag topper was just on there with a paper clip. But this paper is beautiful, and this bag topper is stunning. Like, the detail. And look how cute. Oh my gosh, Teresa. Brava, Teresa. Like, literally insane. Perfect. Okay, so let's open up the box. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. So I love this, how you did this. And also, I also love how you did, you made the flaps, because I feel like this actually makes it more stable, because I know sometimes having it bend over here makes like this part vulnerable, but this is like, oh my gosh, so good. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Okay, so you guys, look at the inside. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. It is, I can't. Okay, all right, I gotta calm down because I'm overwhelmed. Look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh. You guys, look at this card. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. And look, she didn't write in it so I can use it, but I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna frame it. It is beautiful. Oh my goodness gracious. So she wrote another note in here. So let's see. Maybe she's giving us some pertinent instructions. So it says, Dear Lisa, konnichiwa! I chose Japan as my travel theme because our family visited my daughter while she was an exchange student for Ritz American? No, Ritz, I can't pronounce it. It's this university, you guys. Can you see right here where my finger is? That university in Kyoto for a year. Wow, the country is beautiful with a seamless blending of old and new. Thank you so much for the opportunity to participate in a fun swap. The band around the suitcase represents an obi. It has Velcro on the back. The box is covered in Japanese washi paper. Wow, I hope you enjoy, Teresa. Wow, you guys, the tote is huge, but fits the theme so perfectly. I had to have it. That tote is perfect, and I'm gonna use it to shop. Oh man, I love it. Thank you so much, Teresa. Oh my word. Let's start here. Let us start here with the sakura flower. And I mean, just beautiful. Do I need words? Look at the center here. I can't. When I'm just, I get speechless when it's, first of all, this is Japanese washi paper. Wow. No wonder why it's so pretty, because it's like metallic. I hope you guys are able to see this. Oh man, this is just, this swap is everything. Okay, so look here, we have another bag topper, and she doesn't connect them so you can use them. She just puts them on with paper clips. And this is a beautiful fan. I mean, and I don't know what this says, but I'm sure it says something. Oh my gosh, this is stunning. And look, okay, so we have this adorable bag topper with this little, I think is this a bag topper? I cannot. I think this is like, or is it a tag? So cute. I'm gonna have to show this off to my children. I have to. Let me see. No, it's a tag. It's like a big embellishment. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh, she even inked like the cheeks. Wow, Teresa. Wow. Like, just wow. I have no words. I'm gonna do a horrible job explaining anything on this swap, because it is just, I mean, this, I need this die. This is so pretty. Can you imagine? This would be pretty on everything. And then look at this girl here. I mean, stunningly gorgeous. Even, I mean, every detail too. Look at her little hair clip. Wow. Oh my gosh, you guys. These flowers are really nice. I love how you like curved them and gave them texture. Look at another one. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. The paper in the background. And then, oh my gosh, so cute. Wow. Wow, Teresa, like just above and beyond, just so beautiful. Look at the bonsai tree. Oh my gosh, I can't. This is too cute. These are just tossed about in the swap, like no big deal. Look at these beautiful flowers. Oh my gosh, whoever gets this is gonna be like, oh man, this is beautiful. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my gosh, this dangle. Oh, I'm jealous. I'm jealous. I'm jealous. That's it. I'm officially jealous of whoever gets this swap because, oh, this is mine. You guys, this is mine. I totally forgot. This is actually mine. I get to keep, you guys, look at this dangle. Wait, I just realized that this is actually mine. So I'm the lucky one and someone else. Someone else is going to be the lucky one too. This dangle, oh my goodness gracious. I mean, I just cannot. There's a fan on here, a little kimono. My niece, I have to show this to my niece who's obsessed with Japan. Oh my gosh. Look, oh my goodness. She even has like a little, I think that was Sailor Moon. I never watched it, but my cousin was like obsessed with it. This is stunningly gorgeous. Am I even in frame? Did you guys even see what I was showing you? Oh my gosh. I always do that. Oh, so cute. And it's like she did like 3 tassels in one. So this one has this beautiful flower. I hope, okay, now I'm in frame, good. Oh my gosh. Look how this is beautiful. Hello Kitty, of course. I mean, you guys, stunning. Oh my goodness. And then look here, look at this one. I mean, oh my gosh, a paper airplane, like origami. It's not an airplane. It might be an airplane, but it's origami. Oh my gosh. What a way to like run with the theme. Oh, I love this. Adventure awaits. And then Hello Kitty matches. So stinking cute. And then the last one. Oh my gosh. I never want this swap to end. Look how cute. This bead. Like where did you even find these? Oh my word. Oh, stunningly gorgeous. Look, a Hello Kitty enamel pin. Oh, she's all dressed up. Ooh, she's so cute. She is too cute. And then, so this is like a kimono shaker. I mean, where are these dies from? Honestly, tell us, Teresa, because they are, I mean, look at this. And the paper, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at these little cute, look at the now I want to say that this is a bikini, but this looks like lingerie to me. I don't know. Either one has to be packed, right? Oh, the Crocs, please. Look how cute these are. And okay, listen, Miss Teresa, I like how you travel. I do. I'm feeling how you travel. I am. And then look, she even decorated the bottom of this. Oh my gosh. Oh, and there's more. Wait, I was like, oh no, it's over. I didn't want it to be over. This was like, going through this swap was an experience. Okay. It was literally, I feel like I went to Japan. I feel like I traveled, like, and that is what this is all about, is like, I feel like I traveled, truly. I really do. Okay, I don't even have to make this all neat because I have a way that I like store all my stuff. So this is gonna end up being like divided and all kind of stuff. Okay, no. Okay, and then there's this cute, adorable purse. Okay, let me take these out and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so in here we have this little box that has this beautiful embossed paper, and it's a first aid kit. Good luck. Oh my gosh, I love that. That's so cute. And look how she has like this faux first aid kit, you guys. This is adorable. There's another Band-Aid in here. These are so cute. These dies are just the cutest ever. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. These are adorable. And oh gosh, there was also, this was in here. So a little pill jar. Adorable. Oh my gosh, I cannot. And then look at this tissue. So cute. We have some sunglasses. We have some keys. This is so stinking cute. Look, even with the little keychain there. And then we have our compact, which actually, does it slide? Oh, no, it opens with a magnet. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness, look at this. Adorable. And then our lipstick, which is so pretty. We have some hand sanitizer. We have a comb. So cute. And then I have my own passport. Oh, which is decorated some goodies. These are so pretty. Oh my word. And then some tags. And then look. Oh my gosh. What a cute way to package it too in this little passport here. And then it has Japan, and she like puts stickers in here, and then I have some blank pages. Look how pretty. Oh wow, this is so nice. And then we have some cards, you guys. We have some postcards. Okay, wait, let me see if I can get them. Me and these nails will be gone soon. And then look, we have these beautiful, beautiful, beautiful postcards. Look how nice. Teresa, thank you so much. You were so extraordinarily generous, and this swap was so beautifully done. I am just thrilled, and I'm so happy that I have one, and I know whoever gets this swap is just going to be so excited. So I will put a link to Teresa's Instagram in the description bar, and you guys, if you want to watch the rest of our swap videos, you can do that. The link to the whole playlist is in the description bar as well, and make sure you subscribe if you're not so you can see the rest, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.